Waveshare Mini HDMI Adapter Horizontal. Multi-type HDMI adapters designed for DIY HDMI cable projects. Available in HDMI, Mini HDMI, and Micro HDMI versions with vertical, horizontal, and female-to-female connectors combined with FFC cables to build custom HDMI connections for various applications. Input voltage 100 to 240 volts alternating current. Input AC frequency 50 to 60 Hz. Output voltage 5.1 volt. Input AC frequency 50 to 60 Hz. Output voltage 5.1 volt.
Available now at Tanna TechBiz. Ready to elevate your projects? Order today.